I often get asked, where do I draw inspiration from? Does it come from my client? Do I pull it from other places? Well, this is actually a huge process that seems like it's very simple, but it normally starts with my client. I've been with most of my clients for more than 10 years and we've got a great relationship. So let's say we're doing a red carpet or a music video. Once they get a general idea of the look they want, we'll pull tears. Now we've got the iPad so we can download all kinds of pictures to show the direction we want to do. A modern 60s or 90s supermodel chic or Y2K. So depending on the direction they want to go, we'll start to pull different pictures. So we'll create a mood board from what she's wearing to her hairstyles, makeup, and nail looks. I've been doing this for almost 30 years. Back in the day, we used to call it tears because you would actually buy magazines and then we would tear out references from the magazines and lay it out by the clothes to create our looks. Now with Pinterest and Instagram and everything else, we can simply download those ideas and create a mood board to have that for a reference. It's much easier to do creative now than what it used to be. Once we have a direction, I work super closely with the stylist, and this is where I pull most of my inspiration. What's the outfit? Do the clothes have a lot of metallic accents? What's the texture? What's the shape? All of these things I use to help create what the nail looks like. For me, the nails shouldn't stand out on their own. They should actually help complete the look. A great phrase that I heard back in the day was, the nails are the punctuation at the end of the sentence. They determine what the overall end look is going to be. Are the nails the exclamation point? Is it a question? Is it a dash? Nails could be anything, but I try to make sure that it's related to the outfit itself. Colors, accent pieces, texture, shape. How are we gonna create the nails? Is it a deep V line? So maybe the nails then are stiletto. Is it a flat A-frame? We do more of a square look. Do we want an elegant vibe or more of a short, strong nail? All of these things come into play when creating the look. From there, I work with the makeup artist because we'll many times play off of each other. Do we want to do glitter on the nails and glitter on the eyes? Do we match the lip? There's so many different ways that we can go with this, and these are all the things that go into play when actually creating a final nail look. Also, I want to make sure that I have these little guys here. In my kit, one of the things I pack is various sizes of tips. This allows me to make them ahead of time and actually bring the finished look to set. I put a sticky on top of them, put the nail tips, and this allows me to do the nail art completely off to the side. I can't tell you how many times that we've started glam, we've determined on a nail look, but we want long stiletto nails. I can go into my own space, bring them over. Once she's dressed and ready to go, we literally put the tips on and she walks out for the event. I like to organize my colors by groupings. So when I'm looking for a specific color, I know I've got my reds, my nudes, my glitters. What are the trend colors for the season, as well as little nail art things, nail art stickers, metallic accents such as studs, rhinestones, striping tape, any of these little things that might be needed for the nails. I want to make sure I have those with me. I love to mix and custom make colors for my clients so that they have one-off shades that you're not going to find anywhere else. I always told my parents that arts and crafts would pay off someday, and they have.